Hi marriage workers, Philippa Thornton, founder and director of Marriage Works, which I run with my husband, Chris Paulin. Can you believe another month has rolled around? So the monthly challenge today, I feel like, yes, we can do a challenge, is actually to share kindness. That's been my motto for the month, is sharing kindness, especially in these tricky times. Sharing kindness is so vital. And I want you to start with yourself, because if we're kinder to ourselves, if we're gentler, more compassionate, this has a flow-on effect. I know myself, if I start getting critical of myself, it starts leaching out into my relationship. Poor Chris cops it. You didn't hear that from me. Okay. But if I'm just more in my compassion, my joy, my creativity, that kindness seeps forward too. So pay that forward. Even if people are a bit more anxious because of what's happening with the pandemic, someone sort of mistakenly thought I'd queue jump the other day, and I sort of copped a serve, and I didn't bite bounce. I just know that person's really stressed, and it's nothing to do with me, that's them. So I'm sharing my kindness and not doing anything. But so see how you can share your gentleness, your good wishes, your goodwill, first to yourself and then to your relationships, your family, when you meet people out on the street. Because we've been physically distancing. I don't even like the term social distancing. So now we can invite people around, break some bread. I've had some friends around for coffee, for lunch. It was so wonderful. If you're walking down the street, I'm a Kiwi, so what we do is kind of say hello and smile at people. I think that's your first gesture. Just a smile is such a beautiful start to kindness. And if you do that, you might be helping someone's day immensely. We don't know what people are going through. So just sharing your kindness and your joy. So that's your mission for the month, marriage workers, relationship repairers, and all of you out there. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll put up a note on the blog. And if you feel free to comment, perhaps you've shared some kindness, you've received some kindness, and you may be feeling gratitude. Love to hear your comments below. As always, they get a lot of interest, and it's nice to share it, the positivity in these, what's been a dark time that's coming into the light of time. So yeah, marriage workers, go forth and share your kindness. Relationship warriors too, do this. Yeah, share kindness. Yours in kindness, Philippa. Bye for now.